Guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to type this. It's easy. You just do this. Wait. It's really hard to just type this. I accidentally typed this last time. And I don't know why I just typed this.
Wala ko dalang puno. Ano na Kumot na paggatamba ka na ipangit.
So how to type this without the secret letters is to type that look J lot 6.
Biligtas pa. Ayun o, minsan mayroon ko na yung pasok ko diyang luma ng green. Ayan, sabi ko naalala ko kasi at sabi ko sayang yung malalang ka.
Maybe not that one, but look J.
May green ako doon pasoy. Tinanggalan yung maliliit na dahon. Dalawa.
If you search for that, it will appear.
Ngayon naman ako magpadala ito. Narin yung tayo natin, pilitin na ito. Napahangit ng kailangan. Pinagay sa mga
So guys, wait a minute. I'm just gonna type it. So guys, I just searched it. Wait a minute. This is the original. And I don't know what is this. Oh, speed up bird. So, how to type that is search for, there's also 3 types of it, how to search it. First, do this and something will appear. This is search for something like this. And another one is this. Is to do this. Actually, you want a free song? If you want a free song, look, guys, look. Just do this, hold it, and copy. And you copied it, and that means you can paste it here. But how to type that is really almost impossible. But I also saw a lot of secret letters.
Minsan talaga pag kayo galing sa galaan,
secret letters,
ang dami-dami niya
something.
Over ka na ha, Tyron ha?
So, bye guys. Actually, wanna hear a song? Go to my channel. Go here. And you will see one video. This one. The Dojo Community. So, bye guys.